as is reasonable in the circumstances in the prevention of a crime or in effecting and assisting in the lawful arrest of offenders or suspended offenders or of any persons unlawfully at large. So would that, how does this apply?
So for me today, I think that basically where we're at now is we're sending a very clear, strong message to them. I think it's really amazing that we're not carrying banners, we're not protesting, we're not saying we don't think this is fair. We're being accountable. I don't believe that we ought to be trying to force entry today because they haven't been publicly served before. And I think that that's something that we can review, over the next 10 days.
Can I ask, there's 2 points though, that any resistance, they would be anyone who isn't open to the claims made against them would be aiding, abetting a criminal organisation, and also they would be acting fraudulently. Would that be true?
In what case?
In the claims that you've put before them, and that they're not, even allowing you.
Do you want me to read the order? Because I think that will help.
Yeah.
So this is the order in exact. It is ordered by the Community Law Court's trial by jury members. Exeter Crown and County Court Notice 1 on the 25th day of July. Witness to the evidence of perjury, perverting the course of justice, and lying about a post-due debt and a lawful claim. Lying that the claimant had no case when he had all the evidence to uphold the opposite. A man, as yet to be confirmed as Judge Griffiths, perverted the course of justice by stating the claimant had no claim, despite several unrebutted notices filed in the court. Despite clear evidence of serious harm to the claimant and her sons at the highest level of Devon County Council, knowing that the claimant faced certain death without an urgent hearing, knowing a man or woman ought to be given a bill of services if any was due, knowing that just under £1 million to issue a claim is extortion and would cause harm to the claimant. The community law courts require an urgent criminal investigation to establish who completed the replies to the claimant. We require Exeter Police to take this on within 10 days of the files served upon the court and the Exeter Chief of Police. If Exeter Police do not take action, they are notified that the community law courts will make its own investigation on the issue, so then it would be us going in there and investigating. Interview Griffiths, a man who at times acts as a judge of Exeter Crown and County Court. Interview a woman called Imogen, who is a law administrator, who advised that she personally passed the file to the man who lied on the record against the claimant and her sons. Imogen refused to arrange an urgent hearing when the claimant visited the court to speak to the judge about his replies to the lawful claim. Uphold the post-due debts of Phil Norrie if the law clerk from that court fails to uphold it. It is ordered that the community law courts take over this court within 3 months and retain the administrative staff to assist the community to access a trial by jury in the lawful. So that's basically. Could you just hold this for a second? Because there's another bit.
Other side as well.
Yeah. Oh no, that's it. Oh no, it's not.
On the other side.
It's just a little bit more. Yeah. It says we require the existing tenants, which will be a private business, the Bar Guild. It's on Dun and Bradstreet as a property company, which is really interesting, isn't it? These are running our legal system. A property company that's worth millions, maybe billions, that's registered on Dun and Bradstreet. Okay, they're the people that are running the law system. We require the existing tenants vacate the court, as it is untenable for a lawful court to allow a legalese court to exist in the same building. A 99-year lease is granted to the community law courts on the 13th of April 2022. Any man or woman breaking this order will be imprisoned for a minimum term of 2 years and fined 1 million gold-backed currency. And then the trial by jury members, so you can see, we had a council of 13, and they were the ones that basically upheld that order. So that is, that's what we have, but as I said, they have not been, they'll be served today by the public, and then we will expect a response from them. Okay, so okay, let's do this.